Hello, for today's video, I'm gonna make a tasty and healthy tuna patty recipe, and here are the prepared ingredients. Here I've prepared teaspoon of onion, garlic, and black pepper powder, teaspoon of salt, a grated piece of carrot, sliced cabbage, 4 cloves of smashed garlic, a piece of onion cut into cubes, and a half green and red bell peppers cut into cubes, some parsley leaves, string onion, and I have here 2 tablespoons of flour, 3 eggs, and here I used 2 cans of tuna in water already drained. And now let's get started. In a bowl, let's put our tuna, smashed little bit, and then let's add all our prepared veggies. And let's crack our egg and add our flour, our prepared seasoning, and let's combine all together. Look at that, how colorful it is. And now done, set aside. In our frying pan, let's heat the oil. And now let's fry our prepared patties. Let's take a scoop and fry it. And fry it until it turns to golden brown. Smells so delicious. Let's flip it on the other side. Fry it until it turns to golden brown also. And now it's done. Let's remove it from the frying pan and put it on the drying paper. And let's fry the remaining, the same procedure.
Mom, smells delicious. Are you making tuna omelet?
Yeah.
Yummy.
Tuna patty.
Yay!
And let's flip on the other side. It's done, and let's remove from the pan. It's done. And our tasty and healthy tuna patties is ready to serve.